Welcome back to the tour channel. Jeremy at the Night, your favorite Austin realtor. Hey, look, we are going to show you the Grayson floor plan with Scott Felder Homes here. This is a fantastic floor plan. There's actually a lot of things I can't wait to show you about this. Now, we're in Calaterra. We'll tell you about Calaterra later in this video if you're interested in this area. They have this home priced in the mid 900s right now. So we'll give you more information about pricing, all the bedrooms here in just a moment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the Grayson floor plan. Like I said, it is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3,500 square foot, 2-story, 3-car garage. I like it because it is a modernized 2-story home that features an attached guest suite, which is great. So that's downstairs. We'll show you that in the video. The house has a courtyard, which I didn't get great video of, but you will like it. It's got a study, family room, and it's open space to the kitchen and dining room. I want to get your thoughts on the fireplace and the location of the fireplace in this house as well. All right, so right as you walk in the front door, again, like I said, you have this little, if you look out the window here, you can see that there's a little bit of space, courtyard space, but this is the office right as you walk in the home. I like that they carried the wood floors that are in the home into this office space, and I actually really liked these wood floors. What are your thoughts on the coloring of these wood floors? I feel like the camera does give it a pretty good representation of the color. It's kind of a grayish color. Is gray in or out? Because I feel like everybody's in or out on gray right now. Are you still in on the gray colors in the schematics of grays in homes? Definitely, I want to hear from you. All right, as we come out of here, you're going to notice that there is a bathroom. The laundry's down here, and then we're going to show you the garage down here. A lot of really cool stuff, all just coming in from the front door. Let's show you the front little half bath. So this little half bath's great because this would be like a guest half bath, and you can use it if you're working in your office. That way you don't have to go to a different bathroom and run around the house. So this little space right here is perfect, and it's right next to the front door. Okay, as we're walking down the hallway a little bit further, you actually will see that there is a mud bench area here, and I personally love mud benches. What are your thoughts on a mud bench like this right when you walk in? Are they absolutely needed in the Austin area? You tell me. Are you a mud bench person or not? Let's hear from you. All right, but there is a storage space right here as well. So sometimes you'll see cabinets here. It looks like they went in and did a built-in storage space. I feel like this could be really fun if you're trying to hide stuff or you're just trying to have fun. You tell me, do you like the storage space or would you rather have cabinets there? The laundry room is a really nice laundry room. It could use some more cabinets, but it's got nice rails here so you can hang clothes up. I think, though, personally, I would have had a whole row of cabinets. What do you think? More cabinets, less cabinets? Perfect the way it is. I like to hear from you in the comment section. We should make the comment section the fun part of this video. So definitely write in your spicy, fun comments as well. Okay, so laundry room, great space. I'm gonna do something I don't normally show you, and I'm gonna show you in a second the garage space. I'm a big fan of 3-car garages, and I think you'll like this one. We're gonna show you in a second. Okay, right out of the laundry room, going into the garage. Look, so I like that this 3rd car is kind of space, so it actually gives you more space. It's not a real close 3-car, so you have more space in here. And look, that actually gives you more space upstairs for the upstairs bedrooms, which we'll show you in a second. A little closet over here is going to have your hot water heater and all that fun stuff. Overall, what are your thoughts? Is this enough space for your garage? Some people are used to having so much space in their garage. Maybe this is enough. You tell me. Okay, one thing I noticed on here is the carpet on the stairs. Some people are huge carpet on the stairs fans. Some people aren't. You know, I like the white facing front planks when people do that or when builders do that. I feel like sometimes though you could slide or fall down the stairs without having the carpet. I want to hear from you. I like the waterfall feature. So if you look at the railing on the side, it's kind of got that, you know, end over end, and as they say, waterfall feature. Okay, look, here's the living room. Great size living room. On the other side is that going to be the master bedroom. There's another suite on the other side. This little notch they put in the wall kind of had me a little confused. If you see that right kind of where the refrigerator goes, right behind the office space. I don't know what you'd put there. Maybe a painting, maybe you put cabinets in there. I feel like you're definitely going to put in on both sides of this fireplace. You're going to put in book cabinets there, bookcases. I don't know. What are your thoughts on the fireplace being the central feature in this living room? You drop a comment below. I felt that it was a little off or a little awkward. All right. big time fan of this patio space. One thing that people love in Texas is having good sized patios, nice, good covered patios, because it does get hot during the summer and cold in the winter. And you got a space like this, you can absolutely bring in the indoor and outdoor and use it. And look, there's another door that goes into the dining little area right there. I also feel like they did a great job with the wood in the ceiling there. Okay, so right over here to the right, you're gonna see the dining room little area, so a little nook area for that. Great size countertop. I love the sink as well. I'm just gonna shut up and let you take it in for a second. So lots of nice stainless appliances. These are all upgrades. And so for this home, you are pushing in almost to the $1 million price point with this. If you want more pricing and what you get with the Grayson and other areas, definitely reach out. I can give you that information. It does have their microwave over the oven. This is a 6-burner stove that they have now. This is an upgrade and they did a really good job with this. You also notice there was a wine bar in there. And then look, you got a little space on the other side of the island here to put in, books, recipe books, all that fun stuff. And this is a gigantic island, so I could definitely see you having parties, entertaining, having all sorts of fun stuff here. Again, 6 burners. Who needs 6 burners? Right, I need 6 burners in the comments if you need 6 burners. One thing I gotta show you though, the pot filler right there. Who loves a good pot filler? Do you see that? So you just pull it off the wall, fill up the pot with water. That way you're not going back and forth to the sink. Really good touch there. Really great touch. All white kitchen though. Are we in on the all-white kitchen or are we out on the all-white kitchen? Backsplash is a little interesting. It's got a lot going on with it, even though it's not like a crazy backsplash. All right, here is the little nook area. So you're definitely gonna make this your formal dining area. I love the open windows. I love that you get good views from this. What are your thoughts? Do you think that this gives you enough natural light? Now we shot this on a super gloomy day, so you're not getting a ton of full natural light, but I think this is great. You get to look out the windows. You get a good view of the open concept back into the kitchen and the pantry, which we'll show in a second too. In a second, I'm going to tell you more about the community, so definitely don't take off because I'm going to bring you back in a couple minutes and show you all the amazing features, the guest suite, all the fun stuff. So stay tuned, don't leave. Let's talk about the other reason why somebody's going to move to a neighborhood like this, and that is the schools. So the schools here are Walnut Springs Elementary, Dripping Springs Middle School, and then Dripping Springs High School. The reason why I moved to Dripping Springs specifically was the school district. It is rated an A by niche.com. It is actually rated the 2nd best school district in all of the Austin area in Central Texas, behind Eanes ISD. I just did a video on my YouTube channel about this, so you can find that. So there's a lot of reasons why people are moving just for the schools. All 3 of those schools I mentioned for this neighborhood are all rated an A, except for the high school. It's rated an A+. So let's talk about the things around the neighborhood. So when you think about Dripping Springs, a lot of people think that there's nothing out here, and you would actually kind of be right. There is an H-E-B really close to Calaterra. Like I said, we're off of Ranch Road 12 and 290. So you have the historic downtown. If you ever want to go boot scooting downtown, there's Mercer is down on Main over there. People are boot scooting on the weekend and doing all their fun line dancing. There's good bars and restaurants in that little area. And right next to this neighborhood, a fun thing to do is to go to Twisted X Brewery. Now, I personally, and I made videos told you, I kind of quit drinking, but I love to go there just for the ambiance. They've got really good food there. And on top of that, if you're a beer drinker, a beer connoisseur, they actually have really, really good beers at Twisted X Brewery. You go the opposite direction down Ranch Road 12, and you're gonna hit some of the best hill country places, like my camera guy loves, Treaty Oak. Just down the road, you have Dripping Springs Distillery. The other direction, you have Deep Eddies. So there's a lot of really cool hill country breweries, distilleries, and fun stuff. Oh yeah, and by the way, a quick shot down the road and you're into Wimberley, the historic downtown Wimberley. You can go, float the river down there, enjoy all the fun stuff. So there's a lot of stuff right in this area. On top of that, Homespun, which is one of my favorite restaurants, is right down the street as well. So the location might be 45 minutes from downtown Austin, but you get a lot of stuff out here. On top of that, if you do want to hit some other restaurants, you are probably about 15 to 20 minutes from the Belterra Shopping Center, where there's tons of great stuff like
Torchy's if you're a Torchy's person. Personally, I'm a Taco Deli person. You drop a comment below, Taco Deli versus Torchy's. I want to hear. Let's start the fight right now.
Okay, let's get back into the house. Now, I told you there's a cool courtyard shot of this. I'm going to show it to you here in just a second. I really do like this courtyard. You can kind of see it there next to the garage, next to that front office bay, or the front guest suite area, actually. So here's the overall floor plan. So you do have that front guest suite next to the courtyard right there. Pretty awesome guest suite. You have the master bedroom in the back right-hand corner. You also have nice flex space upstairs. Now you could have an option to add more garage space if you look on the right-hand side of that. Now upstairs, you are gonna have 3 bedrooms that carry through. You can have a couple bathrooms up there. Now I said this is a 4.5 bath, so lots of bath space. And then you have a great game room space, which we're gonna go upstairs here in a second and show you. Don't forget, we're gonna show you the master bedroom. We're gonna show you all the fun stuff. So definitely don't take off. Stay through the rest of this video and let's jump back in the house right now. Let's head upstairs. Okay, now that we're back inside the house, we are gonna head upstairs to show you the upstairs. Don't forget, we are gonna show you the downstairs master bedroom as well. And we're gonna show you the fun stuff. Like, okay, so here is the game room space. You got a little closet back here as well. Lots of great space up here. Definitely can make this a media area, flex space for the kids, flex space to do tons of great stuff. Okay, there is so much to love about this upstairs as well. We're gonna show you the bathroom setups. So you have 2 bathrooms up here. You have a lot going on upstairs as we were showing you earlier in the video. So we're gonna step down the hallway here in a second and show you both bathrooms. We're gonna show you 3 bedrooms that are upstairs. So this is an interior home, has 4 bedroom total, and then that guest ensuite that's outside. So as we walk down the hall, you have a bathroom right here, which is a full bath. Really great setup here. So this is right down the hallway. And I like the countertops they picked. I feel like upstairs kind of sometimes gets forgotten about the features of the upstairs. So I really like that they put a really nice cabinet here, really nice countertop. The backsplash in here is that subway tile. Would you like a bigger, more bold backsplash here? Are you okay with not having big bold in that room? Okay, so here is the first bedroom as we get upstairs. Now this does have a really good sized closet, 1 little window off to the side, so not a ton of natural light in this room. Definitely gonna need some lamps or something if you're working in here. Overall, great space. We're gonna step in and down the hall and we're gonna check out the other 2 bedrooms. So there's a little closet right here. You'll see that. I didn't show it to you, but there was a closet there. This has much bigger window. This does face the front of the house. And if you notice, there's carpet pretty much throughout the upstairs on this house, even on the stairs. So here's the bath, as you notice, to this. So you have a sink here, and then everything else is behind there, your toilet and your shower. So this is the 1 upstairs bedroom with its own full bath. One thing I'll notice on here as well, they did that same subway backsplash. They didn't do anything real grand, but they put a nice niche in here. Do you like that or not? You tell me. Here is the 4th bedroom. So you do have a solid 3 bedrooms upstairs. 4th is downstairs. All right, as we head back downstairs, we're gonna show you the master bedroom. Interesting things in the master bedroom. Let's take a look. So you do have a little closet right here under the stairs, so a lot of good space there. So carpet in the master bedroom. What are your thoughts? Some of these builders we're seeing, they're bringing wood floors into the master bedroom. Some people love wood floors, some people love carpet. You tell me what fits your fancy. Are you a carpet person in the bedrooms? Are you a hardwood person in the bedrooms? Everybody's different. Let's start the debate right now. Hardwood, carpet bedroom, you go. I want to hear from you. But overall, good space, good window space. You're getting great light in from this, so good spot. I'm excited to show you about the bathroom though. Oh yeah, by the way, this is on a green belt, which is fantastic. I love green belts. There's just so much you can do on a green belt. It does feel like you have a much bigger yard on a green belt. All right, let's step inside the master bath. There's a lot to love here and there's a lot to maybe question. Okay, so number 1, you'll see that there are 2 sinks, 1 on each side of the tub there. this white backsplash. Are you in or are you out? I do like the fact that there's like a little bench in there as well. We just showed you that shot. So are you in or out on the shower? Definitely a different setup than what you typically see. The countertops, what do you think? Do you like the wood cabinet with this countertop or not? See how they have the big tiles on the floor? I would have loved to have seen that carry through into the shower. You tell me though, subway tiles or no. I just want to hear from you. Okay, I like this tub. I'm a big fan of tubs. I feel like you need to frost the glass here or definitely put something up so you don't get seen in there. Okay, look here. So here's the courtyard. Here's what we've been talking about. We're going to step inside this little guest casita that's on the front of this house. You can Airbnb this out if you wanted to. Do whatever you want. Okay, so great spot here. This does have its own little almost kitchenette. You have a little refrigerator in there with a sink. So you guess you could rent this out. It's got a microwave in here, so you're halfway there, and it's got its own full bath. Do you think this is a really good added feature? Maybe you have your in-laws come visit, or maybe you live in a neighborhood that you want to Airbnb some of this stuff out. I don't know. What are your thoughts on this? Do you love it or not? All right, I want to hear from you. Did you love this floor plan? Did you hate this floor plan? Do I need to shut up in these tours? You just got to tell me, and I will make these tours how you want to hear them. Drop a comment below. I do love it. I think this is a great floor plan. This is one I would consider if I wanted a 2-story house. I feel like you get tons of space for 3,500 square foot in this, and it's done really well. What do you think about Scott Felder?
There you go. You've seen this. Now you have two options. One, write a comment, like, subscribe, and share. The other is to reach out to us if you are considering buying or selling or wanting more information about other floor plans with Scott Felder. You know what to do. My information is below. Jeremy at the Night Group. We'll see you in the next video.